Hi, I'm Craig Jones, and today we're going to talk about the Cookshack PZ016 home pizza oven. So this is a pizza oven here. It's construction 100% stainless steel, partially insulated. It's great for the back home cook. So today we're going to cook we're going to start off with a taco pizza. Show you how easy this is to make. So we've got our dough here, all stretched out, ready to go. Start off with a little bit of good Ortega taco sauce. Spread this around. Want to go almost to the edges, but not quite. Leave a little bit extra there. Great use of leftover taco meat is we put just a little bit on here. Want to make sure we get everything covered real well. Everybody gets a good bite. Top this with some cheese, and then we're ready to cook this in the oven. Right now we have the pizza oven at about 650, 700 degrees. The stone's going to be around 625, 650 degrees, which really that's the ideal temperature. We're going to cook this pizza, let's say in about 3 minutes. So it's a very quick cook, high temperature. You can actually run this up to 900 degrees if you want. Okay. Launch our pizza in here. We're good, ready to go. Put that in there. All right. So now we're going to just let that cook. Okay, so it's been about 3 minutes, 15 seconds. Let's check to see how this is working. Wow, look at that pizza crust. Look at that pizza. Look at the bottom. It's hot, of course. That is perfect. So I like to rest this on a rack so that it cools down a little bit. And then we'll cut it and eat it. Take a look at this. So take a look at this pizza right here. Nice, thin, good bottom. Our ingredients, of course, are all cooked. I mean, you can't get any better than this. Backyard pizza oven, fantastic. That's so good.